The operation that we're about to commence, the search operation that's going to take place this evening, is extremely significant, okay? So this is the culmination of an investigation that's been ongoing for over 2 years. And with our colleagues, it's coordinated through an operational task force in Europol, okay? So this is a global investigation, and some of our international colleagues are here. So apart from welcoming all of you from Garda Síochána, I'd like to welcome our colleagues that are here today from Europol, who are in the room. We've also got colleagues here today from the Federal Bureau of Investigation in the United States, and we've people here from the Australian Federal Police. So there's a number of searches are going to be taking place today. The number of searches is quite significant. The searches that you're taking are all high-value targets, are all at the top level of organised crime in Ireland. So we treat it at that, and Dave will talk a little bit more about that. We're also searching a number of the facilitators and enablers. You know, these are the searches that make a difference to community safety and what we all aspire to do in Garda Síochána as professional police officers. So this is the top level, targeting the top level of organised crime, and it's going to significantly make a difference.